right now.
Number 109.
Run the wiring for all the cars. This has been a we made a few changes to the car for Honda Fest, and what a big noticeable changes are the removal of the shift boot, which is going to give us a nice view of that HR shifter. Decided to go with that clean look, more of a raw track appearance there. I put back the coin holder that I had removed previously just to use the sunroof button, so I put the coin holder back on. Not a big change out here other than the shift boot and the ball right there with the yellow engraving. Obviously, huge change will be the Recaro seats, which they look phenomenal, of course. The car is really clean inside. It didn't need much of a change other than in full interior, seats, door panels, and all that. In the exterior, we changed the wheels, which look amazing. CL9 wheels with the beautiful power-coated Brembo calipers in the back. Well, these are made by Nissan, which are a caliper maker or OEM maker brand for Honda. These are Type R rear brakes, which are completely different from the RSX. These are made out of aluminum, and the piston is a lot bigger. I put the Brembo sticker there only for appearance reasons, just so it matches the front. We got the Integra Type S sticker. I'm feeling the black a little bit. I might change it to gray, who knows, just because the Integra kind of blends in too much with the blue. But try and error, we might change that, I'm not sure yet. Going back to the front, those big boys, these are real Brembos right here with big meaty tires. The appearance on the wheel well, very flush, so you can see it looks great. I love it, and the tire just sits just perfect. Look at that fitment. I don't have to be stands to have proper fitment, right? And let's jump onto the front. I'm gonna explain a little bit what I've done. I know I didn't show like a thorough install video. The reason why I didn't do that is because I was running late for the event, and I needed to get things done. I couldn't record, I couldn't do everything all at once, and I just ran out of time. When it comes to cars, you just run out of time. Changed the Battery tie down. We put a Honda battery because my other one, aftermarket one, died, so we put a OEM Honda. Here we just put a Spoon Sports strut bar. Big changes here. I installed a hybrid racing fuel rail with the fuel rail gauge tuck line, which drops just oh, that's hot. It drops just in the middle right there, and it goes all the way around. Let me see if I can get it right there, and it goes all the way back to the firewall. Pretty straightforward installation. What else? We got rid of the engine cover here for the VTEC. We changed everything here. We changed the valve cover to a Spoon Sports valve cover with new Skunk 2 hardware. It looks great. Absolutely love the flush black finish there. It fits nicely with my hybrid racing dipstick. I absolutely love the finish on this. Let me see if I can get it. Came out really good, guys. I absolutely love the finish. You just have to lift this tab and dipstick should come right up. And obviously you guys seen this flip cap before. We paired it with the hybrid racing spark plug cover. Man, the lighting's horrible right now. I can't really show you guys. It has the engraved HR on it. But yeah, we tucked away the injector wiring behind here. A very nice clean installation. This is a big departure from the OEM Type R spec, and I absolutely love it. It's never against aftermarket look or anything. I just like to try things by stage and as they come. So right now I feel like I'm ready to move on, and this is my take on a aftermarket look for now. We're gonna continue making changes here very shortly this year, but you guys gonna see that later on when it comes time to go to the track and actually push the car and actually get more power. Maybe a dyno day and see how much power I'm getting now compared to where I'll be. Overall, guys, it looks really nice. I love how it stands right now. The wheels are my favorite for sure. I have not seen CL9 wheels on a DC5 before, and this gunmetal color is a little lighter than the FD2R, so it's a nice addition. Apologize for the short install videos, and I mean, I don't have to apologize. Really, just sharing my knowledge with you guys, and I really enjoy doing that. But I went to the event. They loved it. What can I say? That's a new sticker. I went to an event, but I didn't get the chance to close out the install videos, so I'm just closing them out right now. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want to see more videos like this. Really enjoy this overhaul series. Like I said, guys, more to come, but in the near future. I already have the parts lined up, but you guys have to wait for that. I want to enjoy this stage for a little bit, and then we'll move on to making power. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, peace.